Good morning children. Today we are going to check our answer. We are learning subtraction. After subtracting we are getting the answer, no? So that we will check whether our answer is correct or not. And already you have learned each subtraction has two addition fact and each addition has two subtraction facts you have learned. So we using this fact only we are going to check the answer. Suppose if there is a subtraction like this, 7 minus 3 equal to 4. This has two addition fact. So two addition facts you have learned in the second chapter, in addition chapter. So in 7, 3, 4 you have to use only these three number and you have to get the addition fact. So which are the number you can add? This to 3 and 4. If you add 3 plus 4 you will get 7. In other word, is 4 and 3. Just you are changing the order of the number. Changing the order of the number. So 4 plus 3 you will get 7. Okay, so these are the two addition fact for this subtraction. So each subtraction has two addition fact. So this, using this, now we will do the subtraction. We will check the answer, subtracting the answer. Okay, let's check for example 1. I'm giving an example. Now it's given 4251. From here you have to subtract 2795. After subtracting, then you have to check the answer using addition. So first let's subtract. So arrange the digits in columns. So now let's subtract. 1 is small, 5 is big, so you cannot minus, so you will borrow. So from 5 if you borrow 1 here, 4 will remain, so that 1 will come just before this 1, so it becomes 11. 11 minus 5, 6. Now 9 is big, 4 is small, so you cannot minus a big number from small, so you will borrow. So from the next digit you will borrow. So from 2 if you give 1, 1 will remain and that 1 comes here. Now 14 minus 9, 5. Again 1 is small, 7 is big. So you cannot minus a big number from a small number, so you will borrow. So the next digit is 4 and from 4 if you give 1, 3 will remain and that 1 comes here. So 11 minus 7, 11 minus 7, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. So this is the answer we have got, and now we have to check whether our answer is correct or not. So to check the answer, already you have learned this is the minuend. The bigger number is called the minuend and the smaller number is called the subtrahend, and this is called the difference. So if we give the name, you may not keep in mind. You may forget which is subtrahend and which is minuend, so I don't want you confused. You can take it in one way that this is big number, this is small number, and this is the answer. That easily you can keep in mind. So in this, the small number is there, no? The second number is the small number, so that small number and the answer. The small number and the answer, these two you have to add. These two if you add, when you add that sum, if you get it this big number, then your answer is correct. So let us add these two number. So the small number is 2795 and the answer is 1456. So let's add these two. 5 plus 6, 11. So in 11, 1 you will write here, 1 you will carry here. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So in 15, 5 you will write here, 1 you will carry here. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So in 12, 2 you will write here, 1 you carry here. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So you have got the sum 4251. So this is the number, this. You have got this. 4251. Since you have got this number, then your answer is correct now. This is how you can check the subtraction through addition. So to check the subtraction through addition, you have to add this small number and the difference what you have got, this two you have to add. Addition is easy for you, so you can add and check your answer. Okay, now next we are going to learn the approximating the difference. So already you have learned approximation you have learned. Suppose if there is to find the difference, if it is given like this, 681 minus 118, you have to subtract this and you have to find the approximation of the difference. So to do that, what you can do means, first you write this number 681 and 118. Okay, now you approximate this one. Already you have learned approximation of 10, 100 and 1000. So 10 is 2 digit, 100 is 3 digit, 1000 is 4 digit. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So if the digits are given 2 digit, a single digit, then you approximate to the nearest 10. If the digits are given in 3 digits, then you approximate to the 100. If it is given in 4 digits, then you approximate to the 1000. Since here it is given 3 digits, so we will approximate to the hundreds. So to approximate to the hundreds, first you have to circle the number in hundreds place. So here ones, tens, hundreds. In hundreds place the number is 6. Then you have to look at the next right side number. So the right side number is 8, and you have to look whether it is equal to 5 or smaller than 5 or bigger than 5. Smaller than 5 or bigger than 5. You have to see whether it is equal to 5 or smaller than 5 or bigger than 5. You have to find. Now 8 is bigger than 5. So if it is equal to 5 and bigger than 5, in this both the case you will plus 1 to the circle number. If it is smaller than 5, then there is no change. Okay, now this 8 is bigger than 5, so we have to plus 1 to the circle number. So the circle number is 6, so with this you will plus 1. So 6 plus 1, you will get 7. And the right side digits will become 0 now. After making a change, this right side digits will become 0. So this right side, after this circle number, the right side there are 2 digits. So 8 and 1 will become 0. So since there are 2 digits, so here it will be 2 zeros. Okay, now the same way you have to round off this number also. So let's circle the number in hundreds place. So here it is 1. Then you have to look at the next right side number. So here it is 1. So this 1 is, you have to see whether it is smaller than 5 or bigger than 5 or equal to 5. So it's automatically it is smaller than 5. Smaller than 5 means no change. So no change. So this 1 will remain as it is. So we are writing 1 here. And the right side digits will become 0. So here there are 2 digits. So all these 2 digits will become 0. This is the rounding off. So after rounding off, if you do the subtraction and what you get the answer, that is the approximating difference. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 1, 6. This is approximating difference. Approximate different. Approximate difference. And here if you do the minus, that is actual difference. You cannot minus 1 from 8 or 8 from 1, so you will borrow. So from 8 if you borrow, 7 will remain, and this will become 11. 11 minus 8, 3, and here 7. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. So this is called actual difference. This is actual difference, this is approximate difference. This is the way how to do the sum. So one more example I will give. Okay, let's do this, the second example. 358 minus 204. So 358 minus 204. First itself you can do the actual difference and you can do the approximate difference also. So this is actual difference, so I am writing in shortcut actual difference. In shortcut I am writing actual difference. 8 minus 4, 4, 5 minus 0, 5, 3 minus 2, 1. So this is the actual difference. Now we will find the approximate difference. To find the approximate difference, so you have to round off to the nearest 100. This is 3 digits, so you will round off to the nearest 100. So to round off to the nearest 100, first circle the number in hundreds place. Again look at the right side digits. This is 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Equal to 5 means you have to plus 1. So here to the circle number you will plus 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. And the right side digits will become 0. So this 2 will become 0. Again, now next example. Circle the number in hundreds place. Here it is 2. And now the next right side number is 0. 0 is smaller than 5. Smaller than 5 means no change. So this 2 will be written as it is. And the right side digits will become 0. So there are 2 digits, so 2 zeros. Now we have to subtract. This is approximate difference. So approximate difference I am writing in short form. Now minus 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 4 minus 2, 2. So 154 is the actual difference. Approximate difference is 200. So this is the way you have to do. So there are only few sums in the exercise. You can complete it and send me the answer. Thank you.